So apparently, I've heard that there is a thunderstorm going to happen. For some reason, my neighbor is still playing outside. I don't even know how or why, but he's doing it. So I don't know what to do, man. I don't usually get that scared of thunderstorms. I like thunderstorms, actually. But it's just like sometimes they're scary, sometimes they aren't, you know. But I just thunderstorm warning soon. If I hear like an emergency alert system go off for a severe thunderstorm warning, basement it is. Actually, no, because I don't think that those are for supercells only. They're for just bad thunderstorms in general. Whatever. I just want to be safe. So.